Hello everyone, this is Lucky Barber. I'm just going to do a quick video on my True Blue, as the color is called, 2017 BMW 340i xDrive M Performance. Got M Performance 1 and 2 installed. It's actually absolutely fully loaded. It's summertime, so it's got the summer gear on it. So I just thought I'd give you a quick video. I'll try and start the car to let you hear the exhaust sound. Hopefully that'll work. And it's also got the M Performance exhaust preloaded onto the car as well, the MPPSK package. And here we go. That's it from the top end. Those are the 405M summer wheels by BMW. That's the BMW's code, 405M, 20-inch. In size. The fronts are 225 35 20. The rears are 255 30 20. You have ceramic pro gold installed on the car, as well as an Expel ultimate wrap around the whole car. So when it's clean, it gives a nice glassy shimmer to the vehicle. Keep my cars as clean as possible. I'm a clean freak when it comes to cars. Makes it last long. The front splitter in the front. It's been lowered with H&R sport springs. Blue calipers because of the M Performance package. M Performance side skirt decal. The windows are tinted as well. M Performance carbon fiber wing or spoiler. Just to give it a unique tie-in look. And this is the exhaust with the carbon fiber surrounds, with the M logo on it. Rear splitter. I'll open the car door for you. Has interior full black extended merino leather, carbon fiber interior. I have the sun umbrella on to prevent the interior from cooking in the sun, to A, keep the car cool, and B, to protect the leather from the harmful sun rays. I also had the stainless steel pedal caps installed. That's what it looks like right there. I have the BMW all-weather floor mats in here as well, especially come winter time when it gets really icky with the winter conditions. There's the rear seat. Rear HVAC controls, cigarette lighter, also all-weather floor mats in the rear as well. I got the compartment package as well. It fits 3 adults in the back in a pinch, 2 comfortably. I'm in sales, so I carry and ferry people around all the time between hotels and airports, and it carries myself and 3 other people and their luggage and their gear in the trunk very well. So it's a very capable performer. Frankly, I love this car because this car is a tank. This is the True Blue, and I'm not sure whether using this iPhone camera, if it properly captures the shimmy and color and the vitality of the car's color, but it's unique. It's a BMW Individual color, as it's called. I believe it's only one of 25 in Canada. It's got the black kidney grills. Front splitter. So let me see if I can start it for you and see if this iPhone camera can probably pick up the exhaust sound. So please pardon me while I do this. Here we go. sport mode. That's comfort mode. As the engine warms up, there you go. The sound shimmies down about 3 times as the car warms up. This is from a cold start, by the way. What you just heard was from a brand new cold start after a few days of non-use. This is an inline-6 twin-power turbo engine. On paper, it's rated at 355 horse, 369 pound-feet of torque, 1350 RPM. But I've seen reports of, dyno reports of it actually putting more power than that to the ground. About 377 horsepower and 395 pound-feet to the wheels is what I've seen. I love how the light shimmers off the clean car. This is why I love, personally, this is my own personal opinion, why the Ceramic Pro product, just to protect the paint when you can. Makes the car easier to clean. And whenever it thunderstorms or it rains, what have you, in Toronto where I live, it actually cleans and washes my car. It's a self-cleaning car. There you go. There's a little look to it right there. Mirror glassy look. So that's what it sounds like when it's on. And again, that's in comfort mode. It's not even in sport mode. It's even got Sport Plus mode. That's my Paradise Lost CD. I love this, and I can tell you, I absolutely love this steering wheel. It's nice, thick and chunky. I love the way it feels in my hands. The round shape right in the front. I just love it. I just love the way it feels in my hands. And that's it. This car runs and performs like a champ. It's a tank. This is 2017 model year. Right now I've got 16,214 kilometers on it. And that's it. This is the Blue Beast. Isn't she beautiful, as I say? Sorry. That's it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Thank you.